What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Find the measure of the red segment. So here we have the blue segment, which is 13 feet. We have this nice circle, and then we have this green segment, which is 24 feet. Again, if you know geometry notation, this means that these two segments are congruent. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So because of these markings showing that those two segments are congruent, I know that this has to be half of 24, as does this, which means this side over here is 12. Now, you might be wondering, well, how does that help us with the red segment? If you notice, the blue segment is not just any segment, it's coming from the center, and it is the radius of the circle, which means if I were to draw another segment from the center out to the edge, this would also be a radius and would again be 13 feet. So now what you see is that we have a right triangle with the hypotenuse being 13 and this other leg being 12. Now to find the missing leg, aka the red segment, we can use Pythagorean's theorem. So Pythagorean's theorem is a squared, which is that side, I'm going to call it x, plus the other leg squared, which is 12 squared, is going to equal the hypotenuse squared, 13 squared. 12 squared is, of course, 144. 13 squared is 169. Subtract 144 from both sides, and we get x squared is equal to 25. Taking the square root for the final step, we get x is equal to 5, and that is your answer. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. See you in the next video. Take it easy.